Hey, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have PD Fast wall chargers, and it comes with like a pack of 2 of these, and it's gonna be for my Lightning iPhone. So let's open this up and see what it looks like here. It says open. Well, I'm no good at opening things, so here we go. So let's see what we got in here. We have 2 of these charging nuggets, and you can probably see the details on it there. Let's see, what does it say on the wattage? I think it says 25 watts max, but let's see. And then we have 2, so it comes with 2 of those and 2 of the wires. So let's see how long these wires are. And it looks like it is about my length. So it's gonna be, and it's USB-C to Lightning, and so it looks like about 6 feet, sorry. That's about how tall I am. Let's plug this in and see if it works. So you guys aren't gonna be able to know, but I will. So let's see if it lights up. Oh, there we go, automatically. So there we go, we're at 54%. So I am charging, so it seems to be working. It lit up and did its thing. And so you get 2 of these for in the package. And it says new for the iPhone 14, so it'll work with your iPhone 14s and lower. For the 15, I guess the nugget will work, but you're not Lightning anymore, so you have to get a different wire. But very cool, so I like it. Thumbs up for me on this. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.